wiggle. Oh, wiggle. Little wiggle. Joe. Oh. Sally. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, Joe. Hello, Jelly. Hey, Sally. Sally. How you doing, baby? Pepper said, I'm not shy. Sally, get in the water. Everybody else is getting in the water. Look at Pepper. She ain't been in the pond. I don't think she's ever been here. I don't think so. Look at her. Yeah, she ain't been in the pond now. Look at her. She's playing. Goodness, Joe. You didn't jump that time, Joe. So I kind of fell before. It wasn't really a jump. What's he daddy, baby? Yeah. Oh, puppers. Oh, puppers. Yeah. I think she's half hyena. Here's some pretty girls. Oh, here comes Maggie. Here's your Maggie Doodle. Oh my goodness. Look at them girls. Maggie, pretty girl. She's so pretty. Sally said, no, I'm so pretty. Look at that girl.